What if I told you that you could transform your body without hitting the gym or following strict diets? Imagine losing fat, boosting metabolism, and waking up feeling rejuvenated, all by simply getting a good night's sleep. It sounds almost too good to be true, right? But it's absolutely possible. Today, we're going to reveal how you can make your sleep a powerful tool for weight loss and body transformation. Whether you're aiming for fat loss, muscle recovery, or simply wanting to feel more energized, these simple strategies will show you how to maximize your sleep and see results. Stay with us till the end, and we'll share a bonus tip that can take your weight loss game to the next level. 10. Sleep matters more than you think. We often hear that sleep is essential for good health, but did you know that getting enough quality sleep is crucial when it comes to weight loss and body transformation? Sleep plays a significant role in regulating your hormones, and when you're deprived of it, it can disrupt the balance of appetite-controlling hormones like ghrelin and leptin. This imbalance can lead to increased hunger and cravings, making it harder for you to make healthy food choices during the day. Getting 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep is vital not just for overall health, but for ensuring that your body stays in fat-burning mode. 9. Quality sleep increases fat burning. When you're asleep, your body doesn't just rest, it continues to burn calories. But not all sleep is created equal. The deeper your sleep, the more fat your body burns. Deep sleep specifically is where your body does its most intensive repair work. During this stage, your metabolism stays active and fat burning is at its peak. To encourage more deep sleep, ensure you create a sleep-friendly environment. Keep your room dark, quiet, and cool. You can also avoid using electronics an hour before bed, as blue light from phones and screens can interfere with your body's natural sleep rhythm. 8. Hydration before bed is key. Many people underestimate the role of hydration in weight loss, but drinking enough water, particularly before bed, can support your body in burning more calories while you sleep. Drinking water before sleep boosts your metabolism and aids in digestion. Additionally, staying hydrated helps in flushing out toxins and improving the function of your organs overnight. However, it's important to balance how much water you drink so you don't end up waking up in the middle of the night for bathroom trips, disrupting your sleep. 7. Sleep in a cooler room for enhanced fat burning. A simple tweak to your sleep environment could have a significant impact on fat burning. Research has shown that sleeping in a cooler room can stimulate the production of brown fat, the good fat responsible for burning calories. Brown fat works to regulate body temperature by using energy, which helps in calorie burning. A temperature range of 60-67 deg 15-19 deg C is ideal for encouraging this natural fat burning process. Try lowering your thermostat or using fewer blankets for a more comfortable, calorie-burning sleep. 6. Don't eat late at night. Late-night eating can disrupt your body's natural processes and hinder fat loss. When you eat right before bed, your body's digestive system doesn't have enough time to properly break down the food before you fall asleep. This can cause weight gain over time, as the body's ability to burn calories during sleep is compromised. Aim to stop eating 2 to 3 hours before bed. If you're feeling hungry, opt for a light snack that's rich in protein or healthy fats, as these nutrients help regulate your blood sugar and promote better sleep. 5. Eating protein-rich foods promotes fat loss overnight. What you eat before bed plays a crucial role in how your body performs overnight. Consuming a meal rich in protein, such as chicken, fish, or plant-based alternatives, can support muscle recovery and promote fat burning. Protein helps boost metabolism by increasing the thermic effect of food TEF, which is the amount of energy your body uses to digest, absorb, and process food. Eating a balanced meal with adequate protein will keep you feeling full longer and prevent you from waking up hungry in the middle of the night, allowing your body to focus on fat burning while you rest. 4. Consider intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting is one of the most effective methods for losing weight, and it works perfectly when combined with good sleep practices. It involves cycling between periods of eating and fasting, and it can help shift your body into fat-burning mode. Many people practice by skipping breakfast and allowing their bodies to fast overnight. This gives the body ample time to burn through its glycogen stores and shift to burning fat for energy. It can boost metabolism, improve fat loss, and increase growth hormone production, all of which work in your favor while you sleep. 3. Avoid stimulants before bed. Drinking coffee, energy drinks, or consuming foods with high sugar content right before bed can have a negative effect on your body's ability to relax and enter deep sleep. Caffeine is a stimulant that stays in your system for hours and can disrupt your sleep cycle, making it harder to get the restful sleep necessary for fat loss. Similarly, sugary snacks and high-carb foods can spike your blood sugar levels and cause an energy crash later on, making it more difficult for your body to stay in a fat-burning state. Try to avoid stimulants and high-sugar foods in the hours leading up to bedtime for better sleep quality and weight loss benefits. 2. Relaxation techniques improve sleep and fat loss. Stress and anxiety can have a negative impact on both your sleep quality and weight loss efforts. When you're stressed, your body releases cortisol, a hormone that can increase appetite and lead to fat accumulation, particularly around the belly. To counteract this, incorporate relaxation techniques into your evening routine. Practices like meditation, deep breathing exercises, and light stretching can help lower stress levels and promote a calm state of mind. This will not only help you sleep better, but also ensure your body stays in a fat-burning state overnight. A calm mind leads to a restful night's sleep, and a restful sleep leads to better fat loss. 1. Exercise earlier in the day to boost sleep quality. Although exercise isn't something you can do while sleeping, it plays a crucial role in improving your body's ability to burn fat while you rest. Regular physical activity increases your metabolic rate and helps your body burn more calories, even during sleep. High-intensity interval training (HIIT) is particularly effective at boosting your metabolism, and studies have shown that it continues to burn calories long after the workout ends. For best results, aim to finish your workouts 3 to 4 hours before bedtime to avoid the energy boost from exercise interfering with your ability to fall asleep. Optimize your bedroom environment for better sleep. Creating the right sleep environment is crucial for maximizing the body's ability to burn fat while you rest. Aside from keeping your room cool, you should also ensure that it is dark and quiet. Exposure to light, particularly blue light from electronics, can interfere with the production of melatonin, a hormone that regulates sleep. Use blackout curtains and consider using earplugs or a white noise machine if noise is an issue. A comfortable mattress and pillows that support your sleeping posture are also essential for a restful night. When your bedroom is optimized for sleep, your body will enter a deeper, more restorative sleep, allowing it to focus on fat burning and muscle recovery. There you have it. By making a few simple changes to your nightly routine and sleep environment, you can transform your body while you sleep peacefully. Sleep isn't just about rest, it's a powerful tool for weight loss and body transformation. By prioritizing quality sleep, managing your stress, and implementing other healthy habits, you can ensure that your body is working its hardest even while you rest. Start using sleep as your secret weapon and watch as your body transforms while you sleep soundly through the night. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell to stay updated on all things health and wellness. Share this video with friends and family who could benefit from a restful night's sleep and improved fat loss. Leave a comment below telling us which tip you'll be trying first, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy and sleep well.